Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another tutorial with this look, and so if you are interested, just keep watching. First I'm starting off by doing my brows, and I'm taking the Anastasia Brow Wiz and just filling them in. And to set my brows, I'm taking my trusty L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper. I can't live without it. And after that, I'm going to take my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion and prime my eyelids, and after I blend that in, I'm taking my Sonia Kashuk Ion Neutral Matte Palette, and I'm taking that first shade and setting that primer. Then I'm going back in with the Sonia Kashuk palette, and I'm taking that shade right there and putting that in my crease. Then I'm going in with Makeup Geek's Creme Brulee, and I'm using that as a transition shade and blending that into my crease as well. Then I'm taking my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going into the shade Raw Sienna and building up the color, and then I'm taking Burnt Orange and layering that on top of the other shadows. Next, I'm taking the shade Realgar, and I'm focusing that on the outer corner of my eye and working that into my crease and blending it in. Next, I'm wetting my brush, and I'm taking the shade Primavera, and I'm applying that to my lid, and I'm trying to pack on the shadow. For mascara, I'm taking the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara, and I'm using that on my top lashes. For primer, I'm taking the Nivea Men's Post Shave Balm and working that into my skin. Then going in with the Clinique Chubby in the Nude Foundation Stick, I'm taking that and putting it on my face, and then with my Morphe brush, I'm blending that out. And to get a fuller coverage, I'm taking my Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation and layering that on top and mixing those two together. Next, for concealer, I'm highlighting. I'm taking the Benefit High Beam Liquid Highlighter, and I'm blending that in with my finger. Finally, for concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Better Skin Concealer and blending that out with my Morphe sponge. To set, I'm using the Coty Airspun powder, and I will be baking my face for that using this. Then to set the rest of my face, I'm taking my Bare Minerals powder. I love this stuff. It's amazing. And I'm just buffing that into my face as well. For bronzer, I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I love that stuff. It's basically the only bronzer I use. And I'm contouring with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. For blush, I'm using Tarte Exposed, and I'm taking a brush and just buffing that out. And on my lower lash line, I'm going in with Burnt Orange, and then I'm just taking a little smudge brush and smudging that out. And then for highlight, I'm using the shade Temperata from the palette. Then I'm taking my Essence lip liner in the shade In the Nude and lining my lips, and then taking a gloss and layering that on top, and that is Buxom's Hot Toddy, and I'm brushing the baggage away. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped, and I hope you like the look, and be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my social medias, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.